This is a set of 3 tins that Scooter Renee was showing one night, and I didn't have any interest in them because I like the Canadian geese. And then Selena said, if you don't like these, you can paint them. And so now here we are. That's another project. And we'll see what happens with that. The reddish color is a deep wine, although I don't think it looks like that right now. The ribbon is removable so that I can switch it out for Christmas, and just like the fall stuff on the top is removable as well. Let's start it out as the blue tins with the geese on them that I got from Scooter Renee.